name is Nick Grossman, and I'm with an organization called Open Plans, and today we're putting on the OpenBlock hyperlocal hackathon here at MIT with Hackers Boston. Open Plans is a nonprofit technology and media company based in New York City, and we're focused on improving the livability of cities and the effectiveness of government through the application of technology and online journalism. So OpenBlock is a new project to take the code base that was developed for the website everyblock.com, which collects and aggregates hyperlocal data around geographic locations. We're taking that code base and helping to build it into an open source project. So we're working with, today we've got a bunch of independent developers who are just interested in hacking on the code, but we're also formally working with the Boston Globe and the Columbia Daily Tribune to take the OpenBlock code base and deploy a hyperlocal data website as part of their journalism websites.
I work for the Boston Globe, as I said. I'm a reporter. I do a lot of hyperlocal reporting, and that's my interest. A lot of the data I do is hyperlocal, and to me that's kind of where it's at. That's the frontier right now for journalists, and this event here ties in perfectly with that mission.
Knight funded the original development of everyblock.com, which really pioneered the idea of hyperlocal news and streaming news and data. And they're also funding the open sourcing of that code base so that more news organizations across the country can offer their own hyperlocal data website.
So to me, this was natural to sort of work with Nick, get to know Nick better, get to know this whole field better. I'm not a programmer myself, I'm a reporter, but I want to learn a lot more about this stuff.
Like a lot of people, I think that there is so much information flowing around us in cities that we're not making as good use of as we could. So through my work at our organization Open Plans and on this project OpenBlock, pretty much everything we're working on is about taking the information that is in the city and packaging up in ways that make it more meaningful and more actionable for citizens.
To me, the whole thing is just a gigantic opportunity. There's going to be new ways of telling stories, new ways of engaging readers, new ways of sending out information and receiving information. And so to me, this is just it's just one massive opportunity to help create more civic engagement with people who are out there, to help them engage with government, engage with their local neighbors. To me, I think it's just going to, in the end, help strengthen democracy.